The Sony ICFC1PJ Clock Radio with Time Projector takes a simple bedside necessity and turns it into a smart, multifunctional device. It's compact, sleek, and designed to bring both convenience and a touch of modern tech to your bedroom. From the moment it's set up, its clean cube design and minimalistic display make it look like it belongs anywhere. On a nightstand, a shelf, or even a desk. The standout feature is the Time Projector. It casts the current time onto your wall or ceiling with remarkable clarity, so you never have to squint at the clock in the dark. The projection is fully adjustable. Tilt, rotate, and aim it exactly where it's easiest to see. It's a small feature, but one that drastically improves nighttime visibility, especially for those who don't like checking their phone in the middle of the night. Beyond projection, this clock radio brings a versatile dual alarm system. You can set 2 separate alarms, making it perfect for different schedules or for households with multiple people. The wake-up options are diverse. Choose between the standard buzzer, your favorite radio station, or calming nature sounds like ocean waves or birds. The gradual wake function eases you into the morning rather than jolting you awake with a sudden alarm, which makes getting up a little less stressful. The LED display is bright, crisp, and easily readable from across the room. Adjustable brightness ensures it's never too bright at night or too dim during the day. Plus, the clock automatically updates for daylight-saving changes, so you don't have to worry about manually resetting it. This clock radio also includes a USB port for charging your phone or other small devices overnight. It's a thoughtful addition that keeps cables organized and your gadgets powered up without taking extra space. A battery backup ensures that all settings, including alarms, remain intact even if the power goes out. For those who enjoy radio, it comes with FM and AM functionality and 5 preset buttons for quick access to your favorite stations. Whether it's news, music, or talk shows, tuning in is simple and convenient. The built-in 1.57-inch speaker delivers surprisingly clear sound, ideal for nighttime listening or waking up gently with music rather than a harsh tone. Sony's attention to detail shows in the intuitive interface. Buttons are easy to reach, menus are straightforward, and the overall operation feels smooth and natural. It's a device that quietly improves daily routines. From checking the time to waking up, it's designed to function seamlessly without getting in the way. The ICFC1PJ's combination of projection, dual alarms, and clear sound makes it much more than a simple clock. Its modern aesthetics, practical features, and Sony build quality ensure it will fit into any space while delivering reliable performance. Even in an era dominated by smartphones and smart speakers, this dedicated bedside clock remains relevant and valuable. If you want to buy the Sony ICFC1PJ Clock Radio with Time Projector, 1.57-inch speaker, the link is provided in the description.